Hey there, let's dive into this interesting problem we have at hand. So, the problem is about dealing with a class that is not copy-constructible nor copy-assignable, but has a constructor a auto and. The question is whether we can create copies of stdvector in this scenario. We see that some compilers behave differently when trying to create a copy of the vector, leading to a compilation error in GCC with libstick++, while MSVC and Clang with lib++ accept the code without issues. Quite intriguing, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. The key lies in understanding the concept of CPP17 copy-insertable as a precondition for copying elements in a container like stdvector. This condition requires the expression allocator_trace construct v to be well-formed. Here, m is the allocator of type std, allocator p is a pointer of type a asterisk, and v refers to a value of type a or consta or in value of type consta. This is crucial for ensuring the correct construction of elements in a container, maintaining integrity and consistency. Expanding on the solution, when we encounter the expression new voidify *p av, we're dealing with scenarios where v is a value of type a or const a. This construction process is essential for initializing elements in a vector properly. However, it's important to note that this process can fail when v is in the value of type const, resulting in a violation of the precondition and leading to undefined behavior. Therefore, the approach taken by the standard library implementations may vary, with different choices being made during construction from a and or const a and. In summary, we explore the problem of creating copies of stdvector when dealing with a non-copy constructible and copy-assignable class. By delving into the intricacies of CPP17 copy-insertable and the construction process involved, we deciphered the reasons behind the compilation discrepancies observed among different compilers. Remember, when it comes to handling such scenarios, understanding the underlying mechanisms and constraints can guide us in finding the most suitable solutions. Thanks for joining in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you next time.